corporate banking in State Bank of India. So I would like to have his experience face to face with you people. Ashutosh sir.
Good morning
Ladies
to
and
all.
gentlemen, let me welcome one of the exemplary leader of banking sector who has served in banking from more than 3 decades. He was the head of training center of SBI. He has served in most of the leading roles. Most of the leaders, banking leaders, is being trained, coached by him under his leadership. Let me welcome Ashutosh sir on board. And I would like कि आप अपने questions लिख के रखिए. उनकी जो knowledge है, उनकी experience है, जो wisdom है, it will help you achieve your goals. Welcome Ashutosh sir. It's our privilege कि आज आपने यहाँ पे अपना time निकाल के हमको join करा. We are really honored.
Thank you, Mr. Jeet. Good morning to all. Friends, mainly I have worked in State Bank of India in verticals international banking as well as corporate banking of the two largest branches in Delhi and Mumbai. So has been a very nice and remunerative experience as far as skills are concerned, meeting people is concerned. So like I can give an example that I was the relationship head of this steel sector in Bombay. And there was a direct dealing with the JSW chairman, Mr. Jindal, and SR Steel. Now it is not there, but that time it was one of the leading manufacturer of steel. So once I remember that I went with the promoter, Mr. Ruya, to their plant in their helicopter. So you enjoy a lot of things to interact with the very, very big people, and just came to know that what they think and how they think and how they behave and why they are on the top of the industry. So I think if you want anything to ask, it will be a great pleasure for me to respond.
इन ट्रेनर ने बताया जीत सर ने कि इंसेंटिव आपके सीटी से ज्यादा मिलता है, तो ये तो काम इंश्योरेंस में भी होता है. इंश्योरेंस में भी आप जितना परफॉर्म करते हैं तो हम उतना आपको बोनस मिल जाता है. तो व्हाई वी शुड चूज कॉर्पोरेट बैंकिंग?
See, corporate banking is a very wide area. It is equally or more important than your insurance. Corporate banking, there are so many industries are there which have to deal with the bank, take funds to do their business more profitably, and then off and on they will come with their various things to seek our guidance, our expertise to expand their business in a very remunerative way and profitable way. So here we get lot of comfort. Insurance is one sector where you get like if you achieve your things or more than that, then you will get bonus and all. But knowledge wise, I think corporate banking is a subject or international banking is a subject where you get to know a lot of things. There are like banking sector is at least 20 to 25 times more bigger than the insurance sector. So there are opportunities, there are other benefits also in the corporate banking relationship manager.